Now, there she is. It's quite different. It came in a dust bag, and that's my receipt. So guess what it is. Ta-da! It's the Coach Lana shoulder bag. So, and it's in the mallow color. So there are other different colors. I was tempted to get the black one, but I was so drawn to the mallow color. It's such a beautiful color, and there's a C Coach logo there. So that's the hand tag. Can remove that, and well, I'm not returning it, so we can remove all of these packaging. Oh my god, it is a very big bag. So this is a classical walk bag for anybody looking for a walk bag. So it's such a big bag. I'm trying to remove extra stuff, and that's another dust bag. Oh my god, there are loads of stuff in this bag just to keep the shape. So that's what we'll take a 360 spin first. Such a well-made bag. And there's two main compartments here, 1 and 2, and a zip pocket here where you can secure all your essentials. And oh look, there's another pocket, side pocket here with a snap close where you can store all your essential. Oh wow, such a beautiful bag. Walk, here I come, walk, here I come. So that's how it looks. It feels so comfortable as a shoulder bag. What are these doing here? I need to take them out. Anyway, I'll get rid of them later on. So okay, that's gone. I'll get rid of the other one later on. So that's the tag there. I'm launching it tomorrow. She's going to work with me. This is very nice as a walk bag. Very nice. So this is my current walk bag, the Coach case lock barrel bag. I've used it for 2 weeks now, non-stop. So at some point I will do a review on this one. So far so good. I've enjoyed it for 2 weeks. The only problem is that it's a bag that when you step out with it, you have to be conscious of it in case it starts to rain, because it's all suede. Is a suede handbag. So the first day, second day was okay, and the third day I was going to work, it started raining. No, it was actually when I was coming back from work, it started raining. Oh my god, good thing I had a plastic bag inside. So I put it inside the plastic bag and I was just carrying it like a baby. Oh my goodness, I was trying to baby it so that it doesn't get stains from the rain. So if you're buying a sweat bag, just be very careful. It's my first sweat bag. I don't even know what prompted me to buy it. I just fell in love with it, but I forgot that I live in Ireland where it rains all the time. But anyhow, we'll see how it goes. But we're not talking about this case lock barrel bag. This is the new baby in town, the Lana bag, the Lana shoulder bag. So there's a smaller one, you know, but that's not really good for work. So this one is very good for work, and it has two sorry, it has 4 feet, so it's